Hello? Okay. Wow! My eyes! Bro, what the heck? Anyways, we're playing Animal Hospital, and this is what I look like, okay? Don't. I like this. This is what I look like now. It is popular. That's what it is. By the way, I had 1,000 Robux. I was gonna buy the secret agent, but I was too but I was too unsure to buy for 880 Robux, and I spent it all on my avatar. And all I could afford was the head nurse, and I didn't want the head nurse, so I got 5 Robux left. And yeah, so now I can't get the secret agent, visitor, and patience. Ow! Okay, thank you. Dot dot dot. I'm here for my appointment. Chill real quick, cause I know what you have. You have a headache. No, stomach ache, so you're gonna need some herbs. And then for the next patient, you're gonna need eye drops. I got that from a tip. I hope you're not new at this. My nose is really stuffy, so don't mind, guys, please. Rusty guy. What's that beeping noise? I will be in room 1. Got you there. Alright. Take that. Why does it take so long? Stomach ache. Here. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Straight up. It's really laggy. I don't know why. I will be in room 2. Got you. We trust our professionals. Yes. Oh, there you are. Okay. The doctor is arriving. I'll be there shortly. Alright. You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Some advice, if things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Alright. 2000 and excellent. Yep, I guessed that. And I was right. Don't mind me with road trucks being a race car. Oh, we got two. Right. We got an anomaly and a headbanger. Here's some coffee. Here. Get the coffee, man. Coffee. Dot, dot, dot. Yep. I wish I can shoot this person because I would, if I got the secret agent, I would have shot her. Now I'm really sad that I didn't get to spend it on the secret agent. Oh hey, what's up, Wrath? Being small has its advantages. Okay. I hear things. I see things. It's a dangerous job. There you are. You're always safe. You're not an anomaly. Do, 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 do. Got you. Do 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 do. Okay. Stomachache and headache. Herbs and what? Herbs and medicine. Herbs and medicine. What if I kill Rathu? We'll do that at part 2. What was that? Was that a stalker? That would scare me. Dang, bro, I got stalked. Alright, you look fine. I hate that they take so long. I mean, no. That when it takes so long, they argue. Bye bye, Matthew. That just saw a stalker. That looked just like you. Okay, room 5. Meanwhile, there. Can you stop ringing the bell? It's annoying. Headache, you need medicine. First of all, that is not your posture. Second of all, You are twitching, and you have a, and third of all, you have a hollow face, and fourth of all, you have black eyes. So I am not, I am not accepting you. Wait, I'm gonna make part two about all the bad things that I can do to the patients, like giving them their medicine. You seem joyful. Okay, that was a. Oh, okay, okay. Boo, 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 boo. You look fine. Oh my God, my nose. Let me check one more time. Yeah, you look good. Chill. Patient. Thanks. I will be in room 1. Okay. Okay, I don't like bite voids, but their health is important to us. Stay healthy, stay safe. Looks like the secret agent. Hello. It would have been so cool if I got the secret agent. Maybe when I get my next 1,000 Robux, I'll get the secret agent. But then it's gonna be so late that I wouldn't, because it's not popular. The game is not gonna be popular when I get the secret agent. The doctor's arriving. Yep. Make sure to clean that up for me, please. I don't want to miss this text. Did it disappear? Okay. Whatever. I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. We have new supplies. Oh yeah. Wait, how? Just because I prevented my anomalies? That's crazy. Alright, right now I'm not gonna buy something. I'll buy the extra check-in window. What? Okay, you look fine. You look fine. Wait, hold on. Let me drink my coffee. Yummy. Yummy. Yep. I don't know why my voice sounds like this. Am I sick? I will be in room 3. Okay, got you. I am here. Where are you? 3. Number 3. Come on. Yes. No. Yep. No. Oh, yes. E. Taking too long. Where's this uni med kit? Guessed it. There you go. Green slime, that is bad. Chill, hold on. Do you have hollow eyes? No. Okay. Yep, it looks fine. I will be in room 7. Okay. You know, I'm just gonna leave you there. Matthew, you are a good guy. My name is Matthew. Yep, we know. My advice. Don't trust anyone here. Why does my voice sound like that when I go deep voice? It sounds like an alien. Wait, hold on. Okay, nice to know. Reset character now. Give me the camera monster. Give me the camera monster. Okay, camera monster. Camera monster. Camera monster. Camera monster. Camera monster. Shut up and go. Dude, no service. I'm leaving. Yes. Just yes. Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me coffee? I've had a long day. I don't care about my sanity. At this point, bye, because I don't know what to do now. I'm just gonna AFK now. Bye. Wow. A little bitty hider. Oh, frick. Oh! No! No! Touched by entity. Is there more hiders? I know you can use an extinguisher for it. But yeah, that's all I gotta say. That's it. Like and subscribe.